Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to create the register API in Node.js with JWT authentication token. So this will divide into the four parts. So we are going to learn how to log in, register, forgot password and the reset password. So all four parts that we are basic things that we are going to learn in this videos, right? So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have installed express.env and the course. So in this npm package you have to install. Then we have a connection db. So we are using mongodb to connect. So this is the connection string for connecting the mongodb. Next, we have the error handlers. So we have created the error handling part. If there is any issue in that validation, so we have to handle over it, right? If the URL is not there, then we can use this part. Next, we have this is initialization of the express and which port it will be run. So we have defined the port. Then app.use codes, JSON. This is the API auth and the API private. Okay, so we have created this one also. Basic app.use error handler, and server is listening on this part. If there is any unhandled rejection, so we will log error over here. Okay, so this is like suppose mongodb is not connected, so it will log here what the error exactly it is. Okay, so this is on process dot on. Next file that we are going to use, that is called routes. So first we check the auth routes. Here we have all the routes, so I'm just talking about the register part. So this is controllers auth. Okay, so this is auth controller where we have the register functionality. So we have added the module crypto. Okay, so we have to talk about the register part. Okay, so anything that we have routes is done, and those, okay, models is pending. So here is the user model where we have a username, email, please. So there is a match that please provide the valid email address, so you can use like this. Password, please provide a password, minimum length is 6, select false. Okay, and user schema pre-save method match passwords here. So here, because we have to compare the passwords when we have entered the reset pass password and the confirm password. So bicrypt dot compare to compare the passwords. Okay, and this is method for the get sign in token, reset password token. This is the different, this is we will learn in the next one. Okay, so let's go to the register part. So for the register part, what we have to do, we have a auth. Okay, we have where we have added the route. So here we have the route that is register. Okay, what it accepts, username, email and the password. Okay, so we have to use this one, and then it will send the token. Okay, so user dot create, with the help of username, email and the password, send a token, will send the token. Okay, what is the token of the JWT, so that you can log in that one. Okay, so let's register with the have a postman. Okay, which port it is running, that is 500. Okay, then we have a, what is the route of it, so we have to check with the server.js file. Okay, so API for this one auth. So here we have the API auth. Then we will add the register API auth. Then we have a register functionality slash register. Okay, then we will make it post body request. So let's add the username might, there is, let's have a look on the RoboMongo. So let's check this one also, the schemas. Okay, so here we have the models, username, email, password, so we have to add, right? So let's take the parameters username, Rajni 90, and the password, let's take the email. So we will add the Rajni 90 at the rate millinator.com. Next we have a password we have to add. Let's add the password. Okay, so this is registration. Let's try to send this one. Secret or private key must have a value. Okay, so that means the JWT has some issues. So here we have this one, JWT. So here I am not putting up the JWT expire and the JWT secret. So that's the reason it's not getting the value. So let's set this JWT secret. So anywhere I just set the secret key over here. I think authentication I have done. This is the token secret. Okay, so I need to add this one. So let's add this one here, and we are to expire. That is, we will take the 1D, right? 1D. So here I had the 1D for the 1 day. Let's restart and check. Okay, so let's try to send again. Duplicate field value that you have entered. Duplicate, that means let's check the RoboMongo here. What happening over here? I think user is created at the moment, but where is the connection string that we have? That is test project. So here we have the test project. We have a collections. We have a users. That user is already created, but the email is not getting. So that's the reason we have to delete this document. Then try to send this. Okay, success token. So you can use this token to assess anything, right? So let's check the email. It is sending the email or not. I think email code is not there, I guess. No, email is not there because we have just registered the things. Otherwise, you can, after registration, you can send the welcome email like you have signed, registered successfully, welcome to this website or something, right? So here we have this auth so this is register part. So here we have all the authentication that we are using and here auto.post register. So this is a register function. So it requires the username, email and the password. Okay, after this it will create that one, because you can see that it will create first, then send a token. Send token token user dot get signed token. So get signed token, what we are receiving. So here we have the sign token, get sign token, that is in the this method. Okay, so here JW2 sign token secret and expires, so it will turn you the token of that one. Okay, so here we have the token we receive, then next one. Okay, and thing that is the register part, nothing sending the email or not. So just create this one and make sure the password should be encrypted into your DB. So let's check about this one. You can see that password is encrypted. So where we have done this part, so user dot create function, so this is this one. So we have to go check the schema. Okay, so go there. So we have this one models. Okay, so here you can see that user schema dot pre-save. Okay, before saving, what we have doing, this is modified password. Okay, then we have generate the salt and bicrypt hash this password, because here we have simplified the version, right? Otherwise, when you are fetching the password, okay, so you have to bicrypt that password with the salt. That is important, because here you can see that I have added user schema dot pre-save, right? And then user schema don't matter match passwords. Okay, so this is for the currently I'm not logged in right now, so this is for the next one. But here, before saving, you can't directly save the password. You have to use bicrypt and the salt. So hash the password and salt and save that into the DP. Okay, so this is important, right? So any yeah, so this is for hashing the password. If you're not hashing the password, that means might be someone can else steal the information of that user and log in and do some stuff of it. Okay, so every time you have to save the password in using the bicrypt or whether crypto you can use to randomize that one, but most properly po- popular that is bicrypt to generate the hash passwords to your DP. Okay, so this is how we are able to create the login API in Node.js. And the one thing which I think we have missed, that is JSON Web Token. I haven't told you that JSON Web Token, npm package, bicrypt, mongoose, and crypto. These things we have to be installed by the npm, right? And here you can see that where we have created the sign-in token. So I will show you. This is auth. Okay. So here you can see that we have a register function. Then we are using the send token, right? In the send token, you can see that user dot get sign token, and here success true and token. Here you can see that send token, what it return. Here we have the postman, success true, and the token. Okay, so here you can return the user information also, because you can say check that user is also there, so you can also return the user full information over here. Okay, but this function gets sign in token. So here you can check this one, invalid or reset. This is a reset, this is the forgot, this is login. Okay, and where we have defined the, this is auth. So here you can see that our authorization middleware. Okay, so here we are required for the authorization or the starts with the bearer. Okay, and the split that part. Here if the token is not there, then we are just asking that you not authorize this token. Otherwise we are verifying the token what you are sending and check the decoded part. If there is no user is found, then you will send the 404. Else you can return the required dot user information. Otherwise you are not accessed to this route. Okay, so this is how you are able to generate the token with the JSON Web Token, right? So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video we are going to learn about the login process. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.